Let me ask you something quietly. Have you ever felt light, even though nothing around you changed? No pressure, no fear, just a deep breath and relief. What if I tell you Mandarin has a word that captures this exact feeling? Want to know which word it is? Then watch this lesson. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Welcome to Shaheda Polyglot here. I'm your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 4 of our 60-day Mandarin vocabulary confident journey. Here, you don't just memorize words, you feel them, use them, and truly own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Mandarin word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style Mandarin sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is free. In Chinese, we say 自由. Repeat after me. 自由. Try slowly. 自由. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. 自由 doesn't only mean you are not paying money. You can be free from fear, free from pressure, free to choose, free to be yourself. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. To pass the assessment, review and practice all previous lessons. Those who participate will receive a Mandarin Vocabulary Fluency certificate. Add your name to the exam wish list. Link is in the bio description or comments, depending on the platform you are using. For learners who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Mandarin vocabulary program. Short, focused sessions designed to boost spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. Looking ahead, we are preparing an advanced Mandarin course to take you further. Here you will learn character radicals, perfect tones, master more complex sentence structures, gain full understanding of sentence meaning and opinion. By following this journey, you will be ready to access this advanced course as soon as it's published. So stay tuned with us. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Countless students have already transformed this way. Now, here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use 自由. I love living a free and easy life. 我喜欢自由自在的生活. His work schedule is very flexible. 他现在的工作时间很自由. While learning Mandarin, focus on my pronunciation, not only the English transliteration. Mandarin is a tone-based language, and mastering tones from the start helps you sound natural. Transliteration is a guide. Your voice following the teacher matters the most. Don't worry, I will guide you every step. That's it. One word, but now it's meaningful. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using 自由, then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds confidence and practicing daily helps you internalize words naturally. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Mandarin course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 4. Tomorrow, day 5, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Polyglot here, unlock a world of languages with Spy.